Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you an unboxing video of amazing products I received from Daraz. Let's see what's inside. First up, we have a tech button tool that's perfectly wrapped and looks so sleek. This tool looks really cool, and I'm excited to try it out. Next, we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max covers, one white and one brown. Both look amazing and I'm loving the simple design. This looks like a game changer. Let's take a closer look. These covers look great. Now, let's move on to the 3-in-1 Depilatory Heater. This looks like a game changer. And yes, it comes with a charger and wax papers. I'm excited to give it a try and see how it works. Last but not least, we have 3 hair comb straighteners that look identical and are of great quality. I'm impressed with the packaging and the products themselves.